Before Paperless, I worked as the primary estimator at a machine shop.
So I was an engineering project manager.
I worked for the medical orthopedic device world.
I joined from GE Aerospace, where I worked for 8 years prior to joining our team.
I spent 7 years in the sheet metal industry. I'm used to being in a job shop. I'm used to being at contract manufacturers.
I've been there. I've led teams making parts, and being on that end of it helps me identify what the best use cases are for paperless within our customer base.
We've been in the manufacturing industry for so long. All of our individual employees have so much experience at these unique shops that they've been able to get insight into. That they've really learned, the different ways that manufacturing companies work.
When I'm working with customers, I'm definitely able to identify with them, feel from their perspective.
I interact with customers, speak the same way that they speak and understand their problems because I've had those problems before. I can relate to them.
I think that understanding how parts get made, what types of equipment our shops use, I think that really set a good foundational level for me to get in there and be able to go just that one step deeper with our customers.
What I learned was there's a lot of companies out there that are still using antiquated ways to quote. And so being able to introduce new solutions to problems that they don't even know that they have has been really helpful.
My favorite thing about working at Paperless Parts is in my last role, I was getting really good technical knowledge about manufacturing. I was going really deep in the product and components I was working on. But what I didn't have was a bird's eye view of the industry. So while I'm not working directly in manufacturing, I kind of think about it as instead of working in, we're working on, and with a continuous improvement mindset.
The culture that we have at Paperless Parts is about helping our customers first. It's been really nice to see everybody pushing their wagon in the same direction.
It's always a joy to bring a real tangible improvement to a process and to a customer, to give them a result or a platform that they can really see helps them in their day-to-day almost immediately.
I'm not just making a product better, I'm helping shops all across the country get better across their entire organization, and being able to have an impact on multiple different companies in an industry that I know, love, and grew up in has been awesome.